Hello everyone! I'm going to cook squid adobo from lasang Pinoy. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much to subscribe my channel, Asian Cooking with MG and Vlog. I hope you have wonderful, and to those who subscribe me and to view play my video. Thank you very much, and please likes and share and leave comment. Bye. See you later.
And then the teeth.
Now,
so this is clean now. So we're going to slice the onions. Puro naman niya. This onion is no good. Chop on onions. This is no good. The onion. Pakai ano daw ginger dyan, oh. Okay na ginger, oh. Yeah. That's enough. I put a lot of onions. Ginger? Try lang din. Garlic. Lada yata. Alam mo, nag-blend lagi sa akong gang. Ang kante, garlic. I like my adobo to put ginger. Then, maybe 3 tablespoons of chopped ginger.
these are the ingredients. So this is sugar, garlic, onions, fish sauce, vinegar, ginger, black pepper, and bay leaves to complete your adobo. Okay, and of course soy sauce or any kind of soy sauce. Everyone, now I'm going to put the frying pan is hot. I'm going to put olive oil, like 4 tablespoons of olive oil, to saute the garlic, like 2 tablespoons of garlic. And then 3 tablespoons of ginger, chopped ginger. Onions, 2 pieces of small onions.
So now, it's look like golden brown now. I'm going to put the squid, add the squid. This is the pieces, half tablespoon of pieces. 3 legs of rollin. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I think it's not enough. Then stir it. 3 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar or white sugar.
Simmered it until the sauce and the squid is cooked. So now I'm going to check and open.
A lot of water. Now I'm going to put the vinegar, but don't mix it, and you need to cover it until the squid is cooked and the sauce gets sticky.
So I need to put the soy sauce. I don't put salt, just sugar and soy sauce.
Here. I'll simmer it again until it is sarap. So maybe like 4 spoons of soy sauce. So it's a little bit sticky. Please don't forget to subscribe. Asian Cooking with MG and Vlog. I hope you have wonderful day and night.
Yummy already. Simmer it until the sauce is sticky, a little bit sticky. I'm going to check.
You can tell it's getting squid adobo. So I put this on hand. Scallop, onions, chili fry,
Super sarap. It's very delicious, everyone. Very delicious. So, pwede na. This is good. So, please.
So the food is ready. The squid adobo is ready. Thank you for watching. And today you learned something from me again. Sarap. To transfer, I need to turn off. Transfer the plate. Super yummy, mga inday. See? My squid adobo.
Again, thank you for watching and thank you for play my video. So, that's it mga inday. Here, my chicken adobo is done. Time to eat. Thank you very much.
The chicken adobo ni MJ. No, sorry. Try my squid adobo. Super yummy. Everyone, super yummy. So this is yummy.